Hello, my name is Logan Lim, and I'm in Brother Eckersill's class 264, and I will be explaining some parts of the brain with you today. This is the brain. These are two different hemispheres of the brain. You got your left hemisphere and your right hemisphere, your cerebral hemispheres, and then you have your pink, not your pink matter, your gray matter, and also on this brain you can see right here you have your white matter as well. There are many different parts of the brain. Here, if you can see, you can zoom in a little bit, you can see your central sulcus, which runs down the middle of the brain. You have your longitudinal fissure, which runs down the middle of the brain, divides the two cerebral hemispheres. You also have your lateral fissure, which runs across right there. And you have by your central sulcus, you have your precentral gyrus, and you also have just behind that, you have your postcentral gyrus. The gyruses are the upper part of the brain, as you can tell, these upper, kind of the mountain part of the brain. And the part that dips down is the sulcus. Also on the brain, you have your frontal lobe, you have your temporal lobe, which is on your sides, and your parental lobe as well. In the back, you have your occipital lobe, kind of different types of lobes you have on the brain. And if you take the brain and kind of split it in half, you can see your preoccipital lobe, which is your preoccipital sulcus, which is right there. Also, another part of the brain is the cerebellum. That's this part back here. And just like the brain, you have your different hemispheres of the cerebellum. You have your left hemisphere and your right hemisphere, and you also have a vermis, which connects the two hemispheres together. If you split the brain in half again, you can see this little kind of tree-looking thing right here is the arbor vitae, and yeah, that is everything that I have to share with you today. Thank you very much.